Have a nice day, friends. Welcome to Pradeep Academy. Our motto is join us today for successful tomorrow. In this video, I have discussed more important general knowledge question about Manipur for all competitive exam state or central level as like multiple question form. Let us start. At first, what is the location of Manipur in the world? Location of Manipur shown in the video footage, and it is state capital is Imphal. Manipur is a northeast state of India. It is one of the seven sisters of northeast state. East side of Manipur is Myanmar or Burma. Its capital is Naypyidaw, and the north side is Indian state Nagaland. West side is Indian state Assam, and the south side is Mizoram, shown in the picture, and its capital is Imphal. It has 16 districts. There are 16 districts in Manipur. First question: in which year Manipur attained its statehood? In the year of 1972, on 21st January, Manipur was attained its statehood. What is the capital of Manipur? Imphal is the capital of Manipur. The total number of districts in Manipur. There are 16 districts in Manipur. The total number of legislative seats in Manipur. 60 seats in Legislative Assembly in Manipur. The total number of Lok Sabha seats in Manipur. 2 Lok Sabha seats in Manipur. The total number of Rajya Sabha seats in Manipur. 1 Rajya Sabha seats for Manipur. Which is the state animal of Manipur? Shanghai is the state animal of Manipur. It also called barking deer. It is an endangered animal. Shanghai is an endangered animal which is found in Manipur in the district of Bishnupur, Lamjao National Park. It is the only one national park in Manipur. Shanghai, it is the state animal of Manipur shown in the video picture. It is also known as barking deer. Which is the state bird of Manipur? Nongin is the state bird of Manipur, shown in the picture. Which is the state flower of Manipur? Shiroi lily is the state flower of Manipur, shown in the picture. Which is the state fruit of Manipur? Manipuri pineapple is the state fruit of Manipur, shown in the picture. With which country Manipur share its border? The country is Myanmar, share with Manipuri border. Which is the longest river in Manipur? Imphal river is the longest river in Manipur. What is the official language of Manipur? Meiteilon, also known as Manipuri, is the official language of Manipur. Which is the state tree of Manipur? Phoebe Heinesina is the state tree of Manipur. Which game was introduced by Manipur to European? Polo is a game introduced by Manipur to European. Which is the classical dance of Manipur? Manipuri Ras Leela is the classical dance of Manipur. A video footage of Manipuri Ras Leela shown in the picture.
Young girls in traditional dresses play the role of gopis or cowherd girls and dance around the images of Radha and Krishna throughout the night. The Radha Govindas Ras dance is a classical form of dance and symbolizes the rich history and tradition of the Manipuri community.
আমরা এই রাষ্ট্রের এই দিনটা মহারাজ এবং এটা কিন্তু প্রত্যেক পূর্ণিমা প্রথম পূর্ণিমায় নেওয়া হয়, আমরা দ্বিতীয় পূর্ণিমাতে আমরা নেই না। হ্যাঁ,
Nipa Pala is celebrated as invocation to Ras, where Pung, or the traditional drums, and Kartals, small metallic musical instruments, are played.
What is the total number of national park in Manipur? Only one national park in Manipur. Its name is Keibul Lamjau National Park, located in Bishnupur district of Manipur. Which is the largest district by area wise in Manipur? Churachandpur is the largest district of Manipur. What is the area of Manipur? 22,327 square kilometer area is in Manipur. Which state is to the north of Manipur? Nagaland is a state located north of Manipur. Keibul Lamjau National Park located at which state? Keibul Lamjau National Park, only one floating national park in the world, located in Bishnupur district in Manipur. The civil rights activist, political activist, journalist and poet who is known as the Iron Lady of Manipur. It is Irom Shormila Chanu, is known as Iron Lady of Manipur. Which is the folk dance of Manipur? Dhol Cholam, Nupa, Pulong, Pung Cholam is the this folk dance, all of the folk dance in Manipur. So answer of this question is all of these. Right option is all of these. Which is the largest lake in Manipur? Loktak Lake is the largest lake in Manipur. It is located at Bishnupur district in Manipur. It is the only floating lake in the world. Video footage of Keibul National Park in Loktak Lake shown in the video. It is a floating national park in the world. Where is the oldest playground in India? Manipur. There is a oldest polo ground in Manipur. Which is the highest peak of Manipur? Mount Teniphu is the highest peak of Manipur. You are seeing highest peak of Manipur, Mount Teniphu. Also known as ISO in Manipur. Thank you for watching. You are watching Residential Coaching Center, Pranavanando Residential Coaching Center.